Hi everyone, my name is Diogo Correia. Today I will show you the KROFtools water pump tester in action.
So here we can see the KROFtools water pump tester kit, which comprises of the two-piece pipe connector body, the male hose connector, and the 15 psi gauge, alongside all the necessary hose and attachments so you can test the coolant pressure in your system. So here, using the KROFtools combination pliers, we're removing the breather hose to the coolant expansion tank, and we're going to attach the KROFtools water pump tester kit to the cooling system using the male hose connector and the hose supplied with the kit. We push the spring clamp back into position to ensure a tight seal, so we don't have any leakage from the cooling system. We now connect the hose to the gauge supplied with the kit, and we are ready to test the cooling system. We will now start the car and let it idle for a moment to see if the cooling system builds any pressure. As you can see, the pressure gauge is staying flat, which means at idle the car is not building any pressure. We will now rev the engine to 3000 RPM and see what pressure the system builds. As you can see, at 3000 RPM the gauge is showing within the normal parameters, which means the water pump is working as intended and there is no external sources of pressure bleeding into the cooling system. We will now test another car which is suspected to have a bad head gasket. We once again use the KROFtools combination pliers to remove the breather hose into the coolant expansion tank, connect the kit to the cooling system, making sure the clamp is tight and the system hasn't got any leaks. We will start the engine and let it idle as per the previous case. And immediately you can see the gauge starting to rise at idle, meaning that there is external pressure leaking into the cooling system. The gauge is now showing past the indicated normal parameters, which means the cooling system has an issue that needs to be addressed, and as mentioned in this case, it is suspected to be a bad head gasket. You can also see here the gauge has different readings for normal operation with thermostat open and thermostat closed. And as mentioned, to test your water pump you will need to be revving the engine to around 3000 RPM to get an accurate reading. In this case we're using it to diagnose a bad head gasket, which is creating pressure in the cooling system even at idle.
As you can see, this kit is very easy to find any problems with your cooling system. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, like and subscribe for more content like this. See you soon!